This 2022 Heartland Fuel 260 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleep 6, TV, smoke detector, awning, oven, LP detector, spare tire kit, air conditioning, leveling jacks, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Heartland Fuel 260 is 7,656 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.